So now you might be asking, where can I find bioactives? Do I need to go to the rainforest or the remote corners of the planet to gather roots, berries, and leaves? Well, you could, I guess. If I can get them locally, they've got to be pretty expensive, right? The answer to both of those questions is a resounding no. Let me explain. In 1994, two food scientists, John Wadsworth and Stephen Story, were developing health supplements for multinational corporations. In those days, they developed products in their garage. While working on these products, they stumbled upon bioactives. They discovered noni. That sounds funny, but the reality is, although Polynesians knew about noni and its medicinal uses, it was virtually unknown to the modern world. There was no market, no demand for this product. It had a funny name and a unique taste. People had no idea what it was or how to use it. John and Stephen were familiar with some of noni's traditional uses, so they conducted their own simple studies. The results kept coming back positive. Their study participants were telling others about their experiences. More and more people wanted to participate, and the stories started to spread. Noni's bioactives could not be ignored. In 1996, John and Stephen were joined by Kelly Olson, Kim Acey, and Carrie Acey to form Tahitian Noni International, or TNI. Based on the success of this one bioactive, based on the demand for real, natural health solutions, TNI exploded as one of the fastest-growing companies of all time. Today, TNI sources bioactives from all over the globe. They've expanded upon noni to include bioactives like olive leaf, noni leaf, blueberry, Indian cress, oat kernel, and many, many more. TNI's bioactives are distributed in over 70 countries by a global sales force of tens of thousands. Bioactive product lines include bioactive beverages, Defy Age Intervention biotopicals, and Fit Body Composition System, all of which are designed to produce real results but still fit within the average household budget. They are an economic approach to controlling your health. Now, the pace of research and product development has quickened. To date, TNI has spent over $200 million on bioactive research. They've created a network of academics, experts, and researchers from nearly every culture to help in the expansion of their bioactive offering. Most importantly, TNI recently heavily invested in a state-of-the-art piece of equipment. That might not sound like much to you and me, but this piece of equipment makes our researchers extremely excited. They'll now be able to measure the amounts and types of bioactives in medicinal plants. That means more bioactives, scientifically proven bioactives, will be flowing into the market faster than ever before. That's a key point. It's happening. People everywhere are beginning to change their approach to living younger, healthier lives. Now ask yourself again, is there a better, more economical approach to living a more fulfilling life? With TNI, there is.